Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of SoFi Invest for 2025. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for honest financial advice, helping you make smart decisions with your money. So, let's cut to the chase. Is SoFi Invest worth your time and investment? Let's break it down step by step. First off, what exactly is SoFi Invest? It's an online investment platform from SoFi, known for its user-friendly app that offers automated investing through a robo-advisor. Think low-cost ETFs, stocks, and even crypto options, all without trading commissions. It's designed for beginners and those looking to grow their portfolio without the hassle of traditional brokers. Now, let's talk pros. One of the biggest wins is the low fees. Many accounts have no management fees for the first year, and even after that, they're super competitive. The app is intuitive, with features like automated rebalancing and fractional shares, so you can invest in big companies without needing a ton of cash. Plus, SoFi integrates with their other services, like banking and loans, making it easy to manage your finances in one place. They also offer tons of educational resources, which is perfect if you're just starting out in 2025's volatile market. But, as with anything, there are cons. SoFi Invest has a limited selection of investment options compared to giants like Vanguard or Fidelity. If you're an advanced investor wanting complex strategies, you might find it too basic. Also, while there are no commissions, you could face higher costs on certain trades or miss out on premium tools available elsewhere. And remember, all investments carry risk, especially in a rapidly changing economy like 2025's. So, is it worth it? Absolutely, if you're a beginner or someone who values simplicity and integration. For more experienced investors, it might not be the full package. My advice? Start with a small investment and see how it fits your goals. Always do your own research and consider your risk tolerance. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's build wealth together. See you next time.